I gotta pee. Cut that out though. There's so much talking, not a lot of doing here, not gonna lie. I'm waddling like a duck. Hey! Who the f- I got it. I got it. Did I get it? I got it, right? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Are we doing 3-on-3s?
I wish.
No, I don't wish. We did that for a half an hour yesterday and I was dead. I do have good sty. Like, honestly, I look good. Ow, hit my face. We got Team Pumpkin.
Are you ready?
No, I don't know who's on my team. That's okay. I just stopped pucks. He's kind of small. It's not a good screen, not gonna lie. That's okay. I'll do better. I feel like I'm in a bag of Skittles. I've got all the rainbows. My toes numb. Watch them turn it over right away. Wow. Am I wrong? No. I got it. I smelled the rubber, yeah. Yeah, I'm fine. It's okay. Where's the puck? Oh, fuck. Oh! Going down. I taste blood and I don't know where it's coming from. Easy eat. Easy. Yeah, a little too easy, to be honest. Oh. What? Where? When?
Huh?
Why?
Oh.
Sean. Pull me. I'm tired.